10 Incredible Mango Advantages. Number 10. Asthma deficiency may be prevented. Mangoes are high in beta-carotene and vitamin A and can be used as a natural asthma treatment. According to one study, vitamin A and beta-carotene can help with allergic disorders, including asthma. Number 9. Beneficial for digestive health. A single cup of mango has 3 grams of fiber, which is beneficial to digestion. Fiber has a number of health benefits for our bodies. It really increases the volume of the stool, which helps constipated patients improve their stool frequency rapidly. Number 8. Enhances immune function. The immune system is the body's first line of defense against all illnesses. When a person's immune system is robust, his body can effectively defend against invading organisms and keep him healthy. Include mango in your diet to boost your immune system. Mango is high in vitamin C, which helps your body's immunity. Number 7. Reduces aging signs. Mango is high in vitamin A, a vitamin that promotes tissue regeneration and is commonly used topically to combat wrinkles and slow skin aging. They are high in vitamin C, a well-known antioxidant that promotes collagen synthesis and protects against oxidative damage. It is a sort of protein that successfully delays the signs of aging by decreasing joint discomfort and maintaining skin suppleness. Number 6. Reduces the growth of cancer cells. This miraculous fruit has several health advantages for our hearts since it includes pectin, which reduces cholesterol levels. Pectin, on the other hand, not only lowers cholesterol levels but also protects our bodies from prostate cancer. According to the research, a molecule present in pectin interacts with galectin-3, a protein that plays an important role in inflammation and cancer growth. Mango has high levels of vitamin C and beta-carotene, both of which are essential antioxidants with several health advantages. Mango may help protect men from prostate cancer. Number 5. Enhances cardiovascular health. Heart issues are quite frequent nowadays. Many people die as a result of various cardiac problems. Heart disease is primarily caused by poor dietary habits. To avoid this disease, we should eat a well-balanced, heart-healthy diet. Include nutrient-rich foods like mangoes in your diet to successfully improve heart health. These foods will keep you safe from a variety of heart problems. Mangoes are high in pectin, a kind of soluble fiber that helps to regulate cholesterol levels in the body. Mango, with its high potassium and B vitamin content, as well as its low salt content, will undoubtedly improve your heart health and minimize your risk of heart disease. Number 4. Promotes strong bones. Mangoes are an excellent source of bone-building vitamin K, with just one serving providing 9% of your daily requirements. Vitamin K is directly engaged in bone metabolism and aids in the maintenance of adequate calcium levels in bone tissue. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that a lack of vitamin K in our bodies is associated with reduced bone density and an increased risk of fractures. Number 3. Improves cognitive function. Mango is high in vitamin B6, which is essential for brain function. It is regarded as one of the most beneficial brain foods. According to the research, vitamin B6 deficiency can lead to neurological deterioration and decreased cognitive performance. Vitamin B6 and other B vitamins are necessary for the proper functioning of neurotransmitters in the brain, as well as for maintaining a healthy mood and normal sleep patterns. Number 2. Controls blood pressure. High blood pressure is not an illness, but it may be extremely hazardous. Sometimes referred to as the quiet murderer. High blood pressure puts additional strain on the heart, requiring it to work harder to circulate blood throughout the body so that it can continue to function properly. Because they are high in potassium and magnesium, 2 vital minerals that play a key role in blood pressure regulation. In addition to its benefits for those with high blood pressure, this miraculous fruit has a low salt content. Number 1. Reduces blood sugar levels. Mangoes include a lot of fiber and antioxidants. Including this miraculous fruit in your diet will undoubtedly have a significant influence on blood sugar levels. It will drastically lower your body's blood sugar levels. Mango fiber also aids in the maintenance of appropriate blood sugar levels. Mangoes provide 3 grams of fiber in a single serving. Include this delicious fruit in your diet to reap the health advantages. If you want to discover exciting, interesting, and useful information about the world's many wonders, subscribe to my channel.